What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going over Gala, sitting at 0.035. We're up 4%, 5% on the day. Market cap 1.32 billion, 24 volume 201 million. So we saw a little bit of push yesterday, but nothing too crazy. Not too much to tell your grandma about on Thanksgiving, but it was something. And we didn't break that low. So if you saw a continuation, like if we create a small inverse head and shoulders, you see push up back into this channel or bear flag, that would give us bullish indication. You're going to see continuation back to the upside with a break of that trend line and pushing back up towards the previous highs here at about 0.044. But if we fail to do so, we roll over, then we're just not completed the wave 5 of the 2. We come down, break that wave 3 low at 0.029. And then bounce back to the upside below 0.029. The next fib level is 0.025. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. You want to see price break this trend line to confirm a bullish pull around. To confirm a bullish turnaround. But let's see if we put in the inverse head and shoulders and then see that continuation back to the upside. Daily chart, we are underneath the EMAs, but as you can see on the daily, we are creating a nice double bottom, so we'll see if we can break that neckline and see continuation, or if we are going to fill that wick below 0.029 before seeing that bounce back to the upside. And what you're looking at off that wave 2 low is your first wave 1, wave 2 pullback 3, 4, 5. All right, gang. And on the larger time frame, everything looks perfect. We just have to be patient. That's the name of the game. There's no asset class in the entire world that will make you as wealthy as quickly as cryptocurrency. So just remain patient. We are still holding the weekly EMAs. We love to see it. So that's what we're looking at for Gala. We're in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, we're currently in trades for Turbo, Polygon, Ethereum, and Solana. All you have to do is take 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including North America. Once you sign up, literally takes 10 seconds of your time. Also, if you put $1,000 into your futures trading account, you get a $200 bonus, but you do not have to do that to gain access to my private group. You just have to take 30 seconds and sign up. Send me an email. You really can't beat that deal. And you get my daily crypto analysis for many, many coins, my exact crypto trade setups, my exact Forex signals. One of our members is posting trade signals all day long. And you can also see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Almost 3,000 members in the group. All links down below. Take the 30-second sign up to BITUNIX. The 30-second sign up to BITUNIX. You won't regret it. And send me an email. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.